Hey there. Today I'm going to try out this Williams-Sonoma Gelato Starter. The flavor is stracciatella and it is vanilla with semi-sweet chocolate bits. Each can comes with 2 packets and each packet makes 1 quart. Today I'm going to make 1 quart and I'm going to take the 1.5 cups of half and half and 1.5 cup of heavy cream mixed together until combined, and then I'm going to stir in 1 starter packet and whisk about 3 to 5 minutes or until the mixture has been dissolved. Once that mixture is dissolved, it's time to add to the ice cream maker, and I'm going to mix it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when I'm done, this is what it looks like. Nice and thick and creamy. Smells heavenly. Now it's time to add it to my reusable ice cream container. And I'm gonna smooth it out and put some parchment on there. And then I'm gonna freeze it for about 3 hours. Once that 3 hours is up, time to try it. Thick and creamy without being heavy. This gelato tastes like everything good and pure about dessert. It's simple, elegant, and absolutely irresistible. Now I have to go try the other flavors. I think I saw a coffee and a lemon flavor. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it and the gelato. And let me know if you try making one of these starter kits from Williams-Sonoma. I'd like to hear how it turned out and what you thought. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.